Yo everyone, what's up? How are we doing? This is Alvin. You're tuned to my art channel. It's been a while since we've done some sketching on the move, so this is the episode. If you're a fan of that, stay tuned. So here we are at Harbourfront Station. If you're familiar with Singapore, that's where Sentosa, the island, recreational island is. Heightened alert, or the semi-lockdowns we've had over the past year, have been disruptive, like for everyone else in the world. And the only place that I get to practice live sketching people would be actually on the trains. 33 minutes. Missed it! Just because I was checking out how long it takes to get from Harbourfront all the way to Punggol. Okay, let's figure out how many people I can sketch. Guess how many characters, people I can sketch in a 33-minute journey from here to Punggol. Alright everyone, the train is here. Here we go. I have arrived at the northeastern side of Singapore. Did you guess the number of people or characters that I've sketched correctly? That is approximately just under 3 minutes per figure. Hey folks, we're here in the vicinity of Punggol. You've seen me sketch here before in Punggol at the waterway of nutmeg trees. Well, if you haven't, there's that link over there. For you to check out. Oh, I've made like 12 sketches in 33 minutes. Not too bad. Some of them were really detailed. Well, hope you enjoyed this session. Tell me, when you're on the move, what sort of modes of transportation do you love sketching in? You can comment that in the little section down below. I hope that you not only enjoy this, but hopefully this session inspired you to get out there and sketch wherever you are when you're on the go, when you're on the move. Until the next one, guys. Now all there is to do is head back to Harbourfront. Alright, all you fans of real-time sketches, here's one just for you. Do let me know if putting these real-time footages make any difference in these episodes. If you want to find out or learn more about sketching while on the go, while on the move, do check out this map that I've created that will help you understand more about sketching while commuting.